good afternoon, and today I want to talk to you about making bird food. Quite often bird food can be quite expensive, whether you buy it from the supermarket or from the local hardware store, or whether you buy it mail order. There are many things around the home which we can actually use for our birds. So we can, rather than throw it away in the bin, we can reuse it and feed it to the birds. So let's take a look at some of the foodstuffs that we may have lying around that we can use to feed the birds. One of the things that I always watch out for is any cereals which are going out of date. In the cupboard, with just a few cereals left in which no one wants to eat the last bits because they've gone a bit soft. So it's quite good to take what's remaining and just pour them. For today I'm pouring them into this big 2 litre jug. Some leftover Christmas cake. This is a nice Christmas cake. Just drop that in, break it up a little bit and drop it in. Another thing that I've found myself using is things like these Tesco Value Digestive Biscuits, which at 20p for a packet are not very expensive whether they've gone off or not. But because big superstores won't give away broken biscuits because of health risks and so on, you can actually purchase these. A big packet of Tesco Value Digestive Biscuits is 20p. So every few days I'll take a couple of these and I'll drop those in there as well. In this tin I've got some nuts and raisins that we had left over from Christmas, and also some already made Cocoa Pops. Put them in. Another good thing to do, and I've always used suet or lard for this, but I've started using peanut butter to make. I'll just take some of the pre-made stuff from the jar. Some are made earlier. And then I take a jar of crunchy peanut butter. Take a couple of knifelfuls of that, or a tablespoonful. Put that into the tub, and then mix the peanut butter with the already pre-crumbled mixture, which was quite fine. And what you find is that you have a peanut butter. I find the birds like the crunchy peanut butter more than the smooth. But once it's mixed up, you end up with something like this, which is a big sticky ball of peanut butter and seeds and nuts, raisins, cereals, biscuits. And then I have some tree stumps which I've drilled holes in, but you can do this anywhere. You can smear it on the fence, you can smear it on the edge of the bird tables, and I've watched the great spotted woodpeckers and the coal tits, and the birds who are a bit nervous around the bird table will go on these and they will quite happily peck away at this, and it doesn't last very long at all. So I'll go and put this on the bird table and go and put some of the stuff we broke up before, and then we'll watch what birds come and feed on it.